That was Chuggington. Shall we listen again? As the music plays, look out for the falling notes with the note names on. That's G, A, B, D and E. And look out for the finger numbers on the keyboard. Those are for your fingers. Here we go again. Now, remember, if we want to be super pianists, we need to learn to read music. So, next up, let's have a look at the song on the sheet music. Look at these blobs. Some of them are higher up the stave than others. The higher ones are for the higher notes. The lower ones are for the lower notes. Just watch as the music plays through. Here we go again. If you'd like to learn how to read music and how to play the piano, then check out the information below this video to find out more about the musical family method. The last repetition, let's put the note names back on the keyboard so we can all see how the dots on the stave relate to the keys on the piano. Here we go.